been talking in my sleep. Or do these voices talk to me? I spy with my little eyes somebody who's in pain. It's not a condition, it's just my tradition. I keep repeating the patterns, wishing something would change. Insane by definition, at least there's recognition. They keep on telling me to stop, but I just can't let it drop. Look at his face, he can already taste it. He knows that he's back here again. Goodbye, the road not taken. Too late, it's gone forsaken. I feel at home when everything falls apart. I guess my stability doesn't mean all that much to me. I've been talking in my sleep. Or do these voices talk to me? They keep on telling me to stop, but I just can't let it drop.